Zane Redfern, home decorating enthusiast and creator of At Home with Zane. So welcome back, everyone. Today's video is a video by request, actually. If you saw my recent video of the QVC-like collaboration, you know that I displayed this lavender wreath. It was part of my setup, part of my display for the video. And I used it with this white cake stand, and I used it with this lavender mint candle. I didn't have the cloche on there, but the candle was lit. So that was how I displayed it in the video. After the video went out, I had several people message me and ask where I got the lavender wreath. And I think what really drew the attention is the fact that it's small. And you can use it as a candle ring, as I did in the video, and as you see here. But it's also small enough that you can hang it on a china cabinet door, you could hang it on a mirror, you could hang it on the front of a beautiful armoire, the front of a mantle of a fireplace. There's so many things you can do with wreaths that are of a smaller size. So I'm going to share with you the items that I used to create this wreath. I did have one lady who said that she believed that Pottery Barn was selling a wreath similar to this, but I haven't seen it, and I wouldn't pay probably what they're asking for it, because I created this wreath for just slightly over $5. So the first thing that I did is, and I do have another one of these that is, I'm going to create another one of these wreaths at a later date. So what I got was this, it's a sort of a grapevine wreath form from the Dollar Tree. And I got some of the lavender bushel bunches from the Dollar Tree as well. Now, the bushels that I purchased 4 bushels, and I used 2 stems off of each bushel. And that was exactly enough to do this entire wreath form, which I believe is an 8-inch, but don't quote me on that, I'm not certain. So all I did, it was so simple, and it just took me a matter of minutes, but all I did was I clipped off 2 bunches of the lavender, and I started here, and I placed it on the wreath, and then I took some floral wire and simply wrapped it around and twisted it in the back. And I did that all the way around the wreath. Now, the one thing that you want to be sure of is that you are covering your stems with your bushel heads. So as you're going around the wreath, you're simply just tucking your stems in underneath your bushel a little bit, and then you're simply taking your floral wire, attaching it to the wreath form, and then twisting it in the back, clipping it off, and that is that. It was so simple. But I was really, I don't know, flattered, I guess, at the response that I received from it, even though at that time, no one was aware that I had actually made it myself. So I made this because, like I said, it looks beautiful as a candle ring. You can use it to hang it on something, and it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. It's just a really lovely size. And so if you like lavender and you're looking for a little something to add to your spring decor, all spring or summer, all you have to do is go to the Dollar Tree, pick up one of the wreath forms, pick up some lavender bushels, grab yourself some floral wire, and create your very own wreath. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Instagram, my Facebook, my Pinterest. It's all in there. It's a one-stop shop. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.